Your nature is to keep quiet. You came from quietness, you came from silence, and you have to return to silence. You are dancing for a little while, you see. Little while you are dancing. And this dance also will end in silence, you see. How long one can dance. And this dancing is arrogance, you see. You can also dance, but saying that it is because of silence you are dancing, then you can dance also. You can enjoy dancing also. You can play the game very well, but not with arrogance, you see. I am doing this thing, I have done that. This is called arrogance. You become silence itself, freedom itself, compassion itself. Do whatever you want. I don't tell you do this and do that. You see. Then you are incarnation of peace. Everybody is incarnation of peace. Only they do not know. Only that they have to be reminded that you are already that. That's what I tell you. I don't make something different. I tell them only this, you are already that. If anyone tells you, I will make you such and such thing, don't believe him. I tell you, you are that itself.